This is not your average skillet chicken. We're building layers here. Deep, smoky, spicy layers. Start by searing chicken thighs till the skin's golden crackling. Pull them out, let them rest. They'll be back. Sprinkle in the mole powder and let it bloom. And then comes a round of aromatics. Deglaze with some liquid. Then add Serrano and garlic. Before a bunch of fresh corn. And finally sweet potato. Bring back the chicken. And into the oven. 1 hour later, we finish it with fresh cilantro, arugula, and toasted pepitas. Serve it straight from the skillet, because when it's this good, there's no need to dress it up.